Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wijayan Kusumayu with student ID number 521-342-0026 from study program Chemical Engineering. Today, I want to tell and explain to you about sophisticated invention that bring you to the future. For example is autonomous car. What is an autonomous car? A self-driving car, also known as an autonomous vehicle, connected and autonomous vehicle, full self-driving car or driverless car or robo car or robotic car, is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with little or no human input. Self-driving cars combine a variety of sensors to perceive their surroundings such as radar, lidar, sonar, GPS, odometry, and inertial measurement units. Advanced control systems interpret sensory information to identify appropriate navigation paths, as well as obstacles and relevant signage. The Society of Automotive Engineers currently defines six levels of driving automation, ranging from level 0, fully manual, to level 5, fully autonomous. These levels have been adopted by the U.S. Department of Transportation. In the creation of an autonomous car, there are several obstacles, including: 1. Artificial intelligence is still not able to function properly in chaotic inner-city environments. 2. A car's computer could potentially be compromised, as could a communication system between cars. 3. Susceptibility of the car sensing and navigation system to different types of weather or deliberate interference, including jamming and speeding. And last, autonomous cars may require very high-quality specialist maps to operate properly. Where this map may be out of the date, they will need to be able to fall back to reasonable behaviors. Apart from these obstacles, including an autonomous car, there are also social challenges, namely uncertainty about potential future regulation may delay deployment of automated cars on the road, and employment companies working on the technology have an increasing requirement problem in that the available talent pool has not grown with demand. Next is an autonomous car testing. To make car 95% safe as an experimental car, 275 million failure-free autonomous miles are made, while several billions miles or kilometers are needed to make them 10% or 20% safer than humans. The testing of vehicles with varying degrees of autonomous can be carried out either physically in a closed environment or where permit on public roads or in a virtual environment, i.e. using computer simulation. When driving on public roads, autonomous vehicles require a person to monitor the proper operation and take over when needed. So, that is from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.